Hey there, it's Mitch, your active breathing coach. In today's video, I'm going to cover what's called box breathing. This is a great exercise for reducing stress and anxiety, but also creating a mood of calmness, but also alertness and readiness. In fact, law enforcement and the military use this technique often when they go into stressful situations because it creates that alertness, but it also calms themselves down and gets them ready for their job. Now, this exercise is great for things like PTSD, generalized anxiety disorder. It also might help with your sleep. If you want to get to sleep, you can use this technique. It's a great all-around exercise. It's a good beginner exercise to get in touch with your breath. This might also help you get into the zone if you're like into sports and you've got a big game or something coming up, or if you're in business and you've got a big presentation you have to do. It's a good way to calm yourself down and get that alertness and get yourself thinking clearly for what you've got to do and get into that special zone that where things just flow. This exercise also helps you increase the CO2 in your bloodstream, which will help you oxygenate your body and your brain. And it's good for activating your vagus nerve. That will activate your parasympathetic nervous system and calm yourself down. So it's real simple. Let's get started. It's good to sit like cross-legged on the floor in a meditative state, or sit up in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. I like to put my hands one on top of the other and touch my thumbs and then just put that in my lap. That's the way a lot of meditators do. You can close your eyes if you want, but just make sure that you sit up straight. And you just want to breathe in like a box. And so you're going to breathe in for 4 seconds through your nose. And then hold for 4 seconds. And then breathe out for 4 seconds. And then hold on the exhale. And once you're done with that, then you want to repeat this process over and over for up to like 4 minutes is a really good time frame, I think, for getting into that zone state. So again, you're going to breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, out for 4 seconds, and hold for 4 seconds. So once you breathe in and you hold for 4 seconds, that's going to encourage a good amount of gas exchange where you're getting oxygen into your bloodstream and into your lungs. And then once you breathe out for 4 seconds, breathing out slowly helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system. That's going to calm you down. And then holding it at the bottom for 4 seconds again is going to help your body create a little air hunger. You're going to increase the CO2 in your blood system, which helps oxygenate your body. Actually, the CO2 is the catalyst that pulls the oxygen off the hemoglobin in your blood to oxygenate your cells. Now, when you're holding at the bottom, you're building up nitric oxide in your body. And so when you breathe in, you're going to breathe that right down into your lungs. That's going to help open up your airways and oxygenate yourself more. And it's going to help calm yourself down. Nitric oxide has a lot of benefits, and it's generated through the nose. That's why always breathing through your nose is recommended on this channel. So this exercise is generally suitable for most people. If you have any concerns, before starting any sort of health regimen like breathing, I always recommend that you talk to your physician to make sure it's safe. You might not want to do it if you're pregnant, for example. I don't give out medical advice on this channel, of course. I'm not a physician, but breathing in general is something we do every day, and so it's usually pretty safe to do. And you should feel after 4 minutes, a good generalized betterment in your mood. This exercise is great for people who have PTSD and anxiety disorder. It can help you get to sleep. I use it to get to sleep sometimes. So if you're new to this exercise, you might feel a little bit dizzy. In that case, just put it on hold and start over in a few minutes after you've gotten yourself back to a normal state. And just maybe do it less. Do it for 1 minute instead of 4 minutes, and then build up to doing it for 4 minutes. But you should feel that generalized ease in your mood and your increased alertness and calmness at the same time. Just remember to always listen to your body and try to be in tune with your mind and your body anytime you're doing a breathing exercise, and try to be mindful and notice how it's working for you, and then adjust as necessary. So that's it for this video. I would love to get some feedback from you. So if you have anything to say, or if you tried this and it works for you, let me know. Drop me a note in the comments below. And also, if you've got any sort of ideas for videos that you'd like me to make, just leave a comment below too. I really hope you got value from this video. If you did, just make sure to subscribe and hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.